Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome to another episode of Lockdown Performance. Today I'm going to take this beast for a little run around the block. So I haven't started it for a couple of days. I've got another bit of the dump pipe on now, so that's what I'm talking about. I'm going to park it here, check over everything, let it warm up a bit, and go for a run. So we've got about 50 degrees water temperature, 11.9 on the battery, because the alternator's not charging. But anyway, see how it goes. Alrighty, let's take this thing for a run. There's fuel, single O2 sensor. Oh, that's the wipers. Used to drive the European cars. Shit house turning circle on this thing. Goes into reverse. What's our temperature like? Right? Hitting some sort of like a cut. I'll try again. I'll go back one more time. Alright, it's still a bit cold too. Go. Sound alright? It's just breaking up a bit. I'll check the battery and make sure if it's got charge. you want to hop in the back? I won't go fast. All right, 84. The temperature's good. It's just, I think it's something to do with that rotor button. But if you go easy on it. I've just
Too late.
And that's it, I'm just going to. Can't
Is
really
the
get-
brakes alright? The brakes are good, right?
Oh, the brakes are good. Just I'll take out this one. Perfect. Alright, temperature is 83. I'll try something on this transmission here. This is in first. Just gonna come on. Makes it torque, can't it?
How much boost? No,
It was just coming on to about 3.
3. Oh, sounds good.
But yeah, the brakes are fine.
Yeah.
I'm going to try one other thing.
I like the flutter.
I'll try one more thing. So I've just tried disconnecting the TPS and I upped the fuel pressure a bit because it was breaking up a little bit. However, it's probably something to do with the rotor button because I did notice it had a little corrosion on it. I tried cleaning it off, but it wasn't any good. We'll see what happens with the TPS off and probably 55 pound fuel pressure. That's heaps better. Right. That's it, guys. Come on, go into reverse, you sucker. It's heaps better without the TPS connected, oh. Heaps better. Without the TPS. So that's the first drive out of the way, guys. I was pretty lucky. I didn't go very far. I mean, the car doesn't look really that bad, except for the fact that it doesn't have a bonnet. But apart from that, it's pretty clean. So I just went up the road, as you've seen. Yeah, it's running okay. There's things that I need to sort out that I'm aware of. Initially, it was breaking up. I had the TPS plugged in, had the fuel pressure sort of, it was around the 45 psi. So I upped that a bit. Pulled the TPS, it wasn't spluttering. However, I didn't give it much. I only sort of loaded it up to about 3 pound of boost. Moving forward, what I'll do now is I'm going to obviously let this thing cool down. That turbo is going into the Q45. I'm going to try it in that car. And while the turbo is off, I'm going to go ahead, sort out the valves, clean that up, paint it. I'm going to make something else here. Obviously that's a little bit small as well, so that's restricted. Do the wiring properly for the water to air intercooler. Sort out the bonnet and a couple of other little things. But yeah, apart from that, I reckon she's looking pretty good. The Maximus seats are very comfortable. A mate of mine's got some 35-inch wheels with tyres, 16s they are. Fairly new tyres, I think they're Federals. Halfway between muddies and all-terrains. So I'm going to replace those with my mate's tyres. I've got stickers for here. Put all this crap back on. Yeah, I'm pretty happy, guys. For like a $4,000 car, obviously it's cost me more than $4,000 now with all the bits and pieces, 6 boost, all that sort of stuff, you know. But yeah, I reckon it should be finished soon. So I'll be able to advertise it and sell it and get some other project. Either that or get a Haltech and keep it. Let me know in the comments what you reckon I should do. Anyway, guys, I shall catch you on the next episode where we will be getting the Q45 up on the 2-step with this turbo. Have a good one, guys. Catch ya.